Down there, they're down there.
Oh my god, they're so cute. There's no more. Yeah, it's really good.
What do you think?
Yeah, really good.
The birds?
Yeah, really.
Huh? No way.
Go.
No way.
One more time.
I got
Look,
this
look,
one.
they're waiting. One more time. Ay, ay, ay. Ay. Kiki. Wait. Oh my god. Ay. Ay, they're so happy. They're so happy. Ay, ay. Hello, they're coming. Ay, oh my god.
Plenty for everybody.
They're so happy they have food. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're so happy, my goodness. Oh, wow. Ready? Oh, they're so Ala, nangalingaw mga birdie. Happy kaayo sila sa nga tanan. There you go. There you go, babies. Oh my God. Hi. Ang taon, ang taon. Ang taon
They're
nga.
just getting having cut little pieces.
Ay! Danay! Oh, nalingaw sila. Lingaw ko yung mga birdie. Ay! Ay! Lingaw sila. Hello! Nangalingaw po yun sila, uy. Nga, sila po. There you go. Here's your daddy. Here's your daddy.
It's your sugar daddy.
Ay, 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 ay. Nalingaw baya po sila. Ala, nangalingaw ang mga birdie na ay construction sa ubo. So, building na siya. Another hotel. Nginging. Hello! Wow! Wow! La 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 la! Lingawan nila, oy. Hello, birdie. You have to be careful. Hello. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait lang, birdie. What happened? On the top, Daddy. Eee! Ay! Oh my God! Jadi ano? Ngey! Nindot nila tanawon. Ngey! Come here, birdies! Tit, 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 tit. Oh, tit, 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 tit. Ah! Yeah! Lingaw sila. Lingaw sila kay they have foods. Ay, kanindot nila tanawon. Ala, uy, kanindot nila tanawon. Pero puyag.
No more.
No more! No more! No more! No more! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you, thank you! Yay! Ah, naman na. Naman na. Ay. Milawad na po ito. Mayroon bilang pasahero. Shark teacher.
And guess what's in between? Me. Me, myself, and I. People are leaving. I don't know why they're leaving.
The birdies. Oh, the birdie, the birds. Look at the birdie.
Earlier today, a guy spent the whole morning
Look at the
building a Castoria.
birdies.
And look what
Good
they
morning,
They destroy
birdies.
it.
Hmm.
Hi guys!
Nawala na sila. Look how beautiful that thing, huh? Nawala na mga birds.
Dueña de casa quiere darle su consejito a algo.
Look, oh, Daddy's feeding the birdies. They're having fun. Look, look. The birds. You see the birds? Nindot ka sila tanawon. Pero guyag. Look at Daddy. Kimot ko sa mga birds. Feeding the birdies. Kimot sa mga birds. Nindot kayo sila tanawon. It's hot.
They fall down there.
That was fall down.
They fall on the driveway.
Oh, they didn't catch it?
No.